We are welcome once again to the last edition of Cashbook. Now we are looking at the third column Cashbook, but before we go into that, like I always say, like my video and do what? Subscribe to my channel for more content. Now, going into three column cashbook, most times the questions will not indicate that it is three column cashbook or two column cashbook or double column cashbook. But when you see only cash and only cash transaction, know that a single column cashbook. When you see bank transaction and cash transaction, know we are dealing with two column cashbook. And when you see discount, either discount received and allowed, just know we are dealing with three column cashbook. So now we have 12 columns, and the difference between the three column and the double column is that we have discount allowed and discount received. Mind you, discount allowed, that is when somebody is patronizing you, when you are having income, you most times give discount. So when somebody is buying from you and you are giving the person a particular amount net off in the price the person is supposed to pay, we call it discount allowed. It's on the debit side because the debit side accounts for our income. Discount received is for our expenses because we are paying money out and then we receive discount for transactions. Now, very quickly, let's go to our question. November 1, we know that cash in hand, which is our balance brought forward. November 1, balance brought forward. Cash in hand is 750 under cash. We have 750. Also, November 1, balance brought forward. Cash in bank 9,700. 9,700. Now, November 2, received cash. So it will be here on our debit side. November 2, received cash from who? Pascal. We received from Pascal how much? 1,872 cash. So this will be 1,872. Now, we gave him a discount of 28 naira. So now we've seen that we've recorded it under our discount. November 4, we have salaries paid. Now, salaries paid under November 4, salaries paid for the month of October. It's how much? 1,500. Definitely it is cash because it was indicated that the money was paid via check. November 4th also we have cash sales. So I have my November 4 cash sales sales 4,700. Then we have paid for renovation. It is an expense because it reduces what we have in our business. So paid for renovation through check, November 5. Now when we hear check, it means that this particular expenses goes into what column? The bank column. Through check, 475 naira. And we received a discount while we were paying, and that discount was 25 naira. So it comes under our discount, meaning that definitely the actual amount was supposed to be 500, but because of the discount we received, he actually paid 475. So when reconciling, we will know why. November 17, cash check received from Bernard, definitely under our debit side because it is an income. November 17, we said we received from Bernard, and it is check. Definitely, where is it going to? It's going into the bank column. 391 naira, 391, and we received a discount of 9 naira. So November 19, we drew from bank for personal use. This is not a contra entry because the money was not invested in the business. It is actually drawings, that is, you are taking out of the business for you to embark on personal entertainment or whatever. So this comes under drawings. When we go to balance sheet account, it's always recorded under drawings. So it is an expense because it takes away from our business, reduces our income. So we do this under drawings. Drawings is 2,300 from bank you withdrew. So expenses 2,300. Then the last one, November 21, last particulars we had. It said cash deposited in the bank. This is what is an example of a contra entry. Remember, contra entry is recorded both on the debit side and also on the credit side. The one that is increasing will be posted into the debit side, and the side that is reducing will be posted into the credit side. Now let's look at it critically. Yeah, it says cash deposited, meaning that cash is doing what? Reducing. So yeah, I have my November 21st. Cash is reducing. So bank, it was paid into bank, and that is 862. 862. Remember your C for contra entry. Then November 21, what? Cash go paid into a bank. Cash deposited but paid into bank. So bank increased, cash reduced, and our contra entry. That is our posting. Then what's left is for us to close. Remember how we close right from the single column cash book? Now, here I add these two together to give me 31. So I am not balancing this particular aspect. Looking at this and this, we know that our cash is higher, our income is higher than our expenses. This is 25 naira. Now, this will give me 0, this is 2, 12, 19, 9, this is 15, 22 plus 1, 23, carry 1, this is 5, plus 2, 7. So this will give me 7,392. I'm closing with same thing, 392. I'm coming down for our balance. Then here we have 9. This is 0, 1, this is 3, this is 15, 5, carry 1. This is 10, 18 plus 1, 19, 9, carry 1 plus 10,953. 10,953. In case you just joined us on 3-column cash book, the reason why we are closing with the balance on the debit side is because we've actually calculated, and this debit cash is higher than the amount in our credit side. Our debit balance in bank is also higher than the amount in our credit side. Now let's do the sum. This plus 8, this will give me 2, 6, 13, 3, carry 1, 2,362. And you can see the total amount under the credit side is this. So I'll subtract it from this, 7,392. This is 0, this is 305. So my balance carried down will give me 5,030. Which will bring me here balance brought down, which is 5,030. Then on the side we have 475, which will give me 5,772. Subtracted from this, 10,953. Borrow this is 4, 13 minus 5 is 8. This is 8, 14 minus 7 is 7, 8 minus 7 is 1, and 10 minus 2, 0, 10, 10 minus 2, 8. So our balance will be 8,178. Balance carried down, and under the balance brought down, I'll bring it under the bank section column, 1,178. Now, this is the posting of the 3-column cash book. For any question, just drop your question in the comment section. And what do? Remember to like our video and also to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.